You need a social media report to see how your material is being used and distributed. This will assist you in identifying the weaknesses in your content strategy and the activities you are performing according to your plans. And having a reliable platform that can provide specific data is just as important. Your business success depends on this. If you are interested in finding a tool that can give you precise data and share it with your team and clients, you have come to the right place. In today's video, we will show you how to make precise social media reports with raventools, an all-in-one marketing solution that helps companies and agencies combine data from different marketing channels into a single dashboard for a more holistic and complete picture of their marketing activities. Now let's see why having precise reporting can benefit your business. A wide range of factors must be considered when employing multi-channel marketing strategies to promote products and services. You can use social media reports to determine which platforms are ideal for your company's needs. Tracking data such as interactions, shares, and sales can help you identify which platform is best for your business. If your business fails at keeping track of social media activity, can lead to an incomplete picture of how well your organization is doing. Several issues could arise as a result of this. A non-informed content creation. A weak interaction with your audience. You can also lose your brand image. And you can fall into poor scheduling strategies. When determining your company's long-term success, having the correct information and the right platform to extract it is critical. You can do excellent social media reporting using raventools in a flash. The platform is more than simply a tool for creating posts. It also offers numerous social media integrations and a wealth of data. As well as providing management functionalities, it also provides additional data on your recent mentions, your profile, and the number of your followers, comments, and reach. These essential metrics are displayed and available. So you can also explore several integrations with platforms such as Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, and LinkedIn. With Raven's Report Editor, you can manage and receive metric information and pull all of that data back into the report generator. Besides, schedule your reports for your team or clients at any time. By creating a custom URL, you can send your report to the customer and see how effective a Twitter campaign was, or how fantastic it would be to send something to LinkedIn and the results of that particular campaign. And this is another outstanding feature of Raven's social media report generator. You can white label your reports to fit your brand's look and feel. This implies you can convey to your clients that you're using custom-built software. Following that, distribute your findings as a PDF or an adaptable web page to enable your clients to analyze the information from any location and on any device. As you can see, you can build highly detailed reports for your company or clients to make any necessary business decisions. Again, raventools simplifies the process for you. If raventools is a solution that will definitely work for your business, you can check out a link to buy their services in the description below. Also, consider liking this video and subscribing to our social media channels so that you can know of other great software videos like this one. Now, let's see what other amazing things you can do with this platform. As you can see, it is effortless to create social media reports for your business using raventools. But this is not the only thing you can do with this software. Let us go over some of the additional aspects of Raven that make it such an effective marketing tool for your business. First, Raven site audits look at 17 critical criteria to ensure your technical SEO is in good shape. Then, you can have a health report for your site and see how your technical site problems and optimization opportunities are created in order of severity. Second, the Backlink Explorer allows you to enter any domain or URL to receive a more in-depth look at the backlinks to that domain or URL. You can use the Link Manager in Raven to track down and remove any potentially harmful backlinks from your competitors' sites. Third, the Backlink Explorer allows you to enter any domain or URL to receive a more in-depth look at the backlinks to that domain or URL. You can use the Link Manager in Raven to track down and remove any potentially harmful backlinks from your competitors' sites. Fourth, the platform relies on world-class data sources such as Majestic, Moz, Google, Bing, and others regarding domain authority metrics, keyword insights, and domain information. For example, you can search volume measurements, and an advertiser competitiveness score can be used to identify a keyword's search volume and produce related search terms. And finally, the platform connects to many third-party tools like Google Search Console and Majestic. Your historical data is stored on the platform and will not be lost. The option to uncover SEO-centric indicators and evaluate data through various visualizations is also provided, allowing you to spot crucial SEO data quickly. If you like what you heard about Raven Tools, check out the link in the description below. Also, if you like this video, check our playlist specific to our recommended industry-leading software providers, and don't forget to subscribe to our social media channels. We are sure you will find what you are looking for. Thanks for watching. See you next time.